5-8, and I've done 5-7, which is quite similar. So it gives us some data, if I'm not mistaken. Sample of 40 oil industry executives was selected to answer a test questionnaire, and it says, okay, what is the experiment? And this is just kind of tell us what it is. In this case, it's a survey, right? Experiment's just a survey about environmental issues. We're asking them questions. Okay, and B, then it says list one possible event. And so, I put in that most will respond yes to the equation, but the possible event could be that 10% respond no to the question, right? Or that 30% respond yes. Okay, and so there's many different events that could take place. C, then it says list or 10 of the 40 executives responded yes. So we've got 40 observations, 10 that we recognize, or 10 that we've observed, I guess, in one way or another, 10 that responded yes. Okay, so what is the probability, right, that an oil industry executive would answer yes? And for that, it's just simply equal to our 10 divided by our 40, right, or 25%. Okay, and so that becomes an empirical, right, because we know the total number of observations, and we know how many times the event occurs. Okay, and then E, it asks, I gotta flip pages. It asks, are each of the possible outcomes equally likely and mutually exclusive? And this one got a little confusing to me, and I had to think about it. If our outcomes up here that, for example, that 10% might answer yes, that's certainly a different likelihood than that 50% might answer yes, right? And so they're not equally likely. Now, it's equally likely that one might answer yes, or two might answer yes. Okay, a little bit different concept there than we're talking about these events and what we've put up here in B. Okay, so it's not equally likely, but it is mutually exclusive, meaning that one executive's answers are not dependent on another's answers, and the outcome of one is not dependent on the outcome of another. If we were doing surveys, okay, they would be separate, and so we would call that mutually exclusive.